Trying the easiest passive income. Make $5,509 per month selling high-demand coloring books and pages. I have seen a lot of channels on YouTube talking about how they publish books through Amazon KDP Kindle Direct and earn hundreds of thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars every single month. And in this video, I want to test out Amazon KDP Kindle Direct Publishing. Not only that, but I'm going to use all my knowledge, all my expertise, and I will do everything I can to make it work. And I'm going to take you guys along with me, so you see what works and what doesn't. So let's do this, and if you're not familiar with Amazon KDP, although I'm pretty sure everyone has heard about it. Right now, becoming an author and producing and selling books on Amazon is essentially a possibility for each and every one of us. Creating and uploading the book to Amazon is all that needs to be done, and Amazon will take care of the rest. To anyone who orders the book, they will print it and send it. We can accomplish this in a number of ways right now. We have the option of writing books with little or moderate information, and in essence, selling furniture is how I see it. It would be equivalent to selling a piece of furniture that had already been put together to sell high-content books, and you will be charging much more there. If you wish to offer medium content books like Ikea, you will only sell the parts and instruction manual and let the customer do the work. Therefore, you sell coloring books, recipe books, activity books, crossword puzzle books, and so on when you have books of middling substance. As a result, you are able to charge more because you are giving the consumer greater value. And last, you can sell books with little content. I have decided to concentrate on books with a medium level of content for this video and this challenge. So, let us make some activity books for the elderly. Now what I'm going to do is come to BookBolt, and here I want to check what kind of activity books for seniors we should create. So on BookWorld, just after logging in, what we need to do is go and hit Products. We are right now in the research mode, by the way. So here I am going to type probably a few different keywords until I figure out what are the right ones to target for my activity books for seniors. Okay, so if we search for activity books for seniors, we see that the lowest price is around $4 and the highest price is around $20, which is a really nice average price point. I notice crossword puzzles, stress relief memory activity books, and I really like this. So, let us jot this down. Okay, this is a very interesting one. It's a book that was published in April this year and already made 252 sales at about $6. On the side, we see a lot of really useful keywords that BookWalt is recommending. So, seniors and adults memory brain activities. Crossword is definitely something they recommend. Even Alzheimer's or particular dementia was one of the keywords that was used quite a bit as well. Now, related keywords. Let's see what they suggest. So after spending about 20 minutes researching what I want to go with, I realized that I should probably start with a coloring book first, and then go into an activity book. I want to do a little market research to determine what kinds of subjects are more popular, and I have noticed that many coloring books continue to command good prices. So ideally, I do not feel like I am wasting my time on things with little reward. As a result, there are some excellent keywords. So my first attempt will be to produce a summer-themed coloring book for seniors, complete with illustrations of birds, flowers, and butterflies. And later, I will check to see if the seasons theme is successful. In order to branch out into activity books with the same themes that we have tested with the coloring book, perhaps we will create more coloring books with similar themes. So I'm going back to the BookBolt and going to the studio to start writing my ebook. This one we call the Summer Coloring Book for Seniors. I have seen books with as few as 25 pages and books with as many as 125 or 100 pages sell extremely well. Therefore, let us begin with 100 and see how things go. The new decision by Amazon to stop offering free ISBN codes for low-content books is another intriguing reason to choose a medium-content book over a low-content one. Therefore, you would have to either publish without one or get your own, which I know can be pretty expensive. I estimate the price to be between $30 and $125. Therefore, you would need to sell a sizable number of those books to make it profitable. we will now be able to obtain an ISBN code for books with medium content, which are the ones I chose. It is said that we will test this and see how it goes. Hopefully, Amazon will promote it more. The fact that there are so many free resources available on BookBolt is something I really like. Thus, I don't need to go into any other program to look for ideas or develop my own designs. They not only have their own, but they have access to Pixabay and Upsplash. All of them are royalty-free, so you are free to use as well. Alright, you guys, we are now done with the construction of the book. It took me a little more than an hour and a half, and there were 100 pages. I created each page by hand. Consequently, it took a little longer. But it was enjoyable and incredibly simple because I found all the illustrations on BookBolt. Otherwise, it probably would have taken a lot longer. So, let us download it right away. We are going to go ahead and say Download Project or Print. And let's see. Now that the download is finished, let us go to Amazon and upload the listing. Okay, now that we have our Amazon KDP account set up, all we have to do is click on Create Paperback, and that will direct us to a page where we can enter all the information about our book, the title, the summary, and any optional subtitles. Therefore, I am going to go with a title that accurately describes the content of the book, and then I am going to incorporate all the specifics and a lot of the keywords that I discovered using BookBolt in the subtitle. The same keywords that I previously identified and all the other information about the book will be used to create a description as well. Along with the interior, I am also going to upload the cover that I downloaded from BookBolt, and as we move on to the next page, we are asked where we want to sell the book, and I've decided to just go for the US market. And for this book in particular, because I've included 100 different pages and designs, I've chosen to cost it at $12.82, which intends that with a printing cost of $2.30 and 60 sovereignty, we'll make $5.39 for each and every one of the books that we sell. Okay, I believe we're prepared. We should feel free to distribute. The Amazon posting creation was very much a simple ride. Everything was pretty direct. I transferred straightforwardly from BookBolt all that I had downloaded. I had 2 records, one for the cover and one for the inside. Pretty much everything was not difficult to fill in. So I'm feeling free to finish the posting. And I'll keep you all refreshed on how we're doing. Thank you again for watching. Like this video. Assuming that you loved it, be certain to buy in the event that you haven't done as such. Much obliged to you once more, and I'll see you next time.